Go ahead, discover the freedom, enjoyment, and motivation that the Interplay Universal iPod Dock can bring to your workout. Now with Interplay Universal iPod Dock, you have the perfect combination of fitness and entertainment. This amazing digital interface quickly connects to your iPod or any MP3 device, helping you rock through your workouts, listening to all your favorite music. And it's so easy. Simply connect your iPod using the Universal iPod connector, press play, and go. The connector even doubles as a charging station for your iPod. The Interplay Dock also features a convenient storage shelf and works in combination with your equipment's built-in sound system, giving you a freer, more focused workout.